Today I'll show you how to create a QR code directly inside Canva for completely free. And the best part, you don't need Canva Pro. Canva has a built-in QR code tool that's completely free, quick, and easy to update later. Welcome back to Website Planet, and if you like practical design tutorials that save you time and money, then be sure to hit subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. On the left side, click Apps. The QR code tool isn't always visible by default, so don't look for it in the main menu. Inside Apps, type QR code into the search bar. You'll see a few options, but the one you want is the QR code app made by Canva. If you click the three dots, you'll see it says by Canva, and that's the built-in tool, and that's all you really need here. Just click on it, and now you're ready to generate your QR code. Once the QR code tool is open, all you need to do is paste in your link. This can be anything you want people to land on: a website, a YouTube video, a Google Maps location, even a digital menu. I'll just paste in a simple link here, and before you hit generate, take 1 second to double check it, because whatever you put in this box is exactly where people will end up. With your link in place, click generate code, and that's it. Canva instantly drops your QR code onto your canvas. You can move it around, resize it, scale it up or down, and resizing it won't break the QR code. Just make sure that you don't crop the edges or place other elements on top of it, but as long as the code stays clean and fully visible, it'll scan without any issues. One more useful thing here, if you ever need to change the link later, you don't have to start over. If you ever need to change that link later, just open the QR code app again, paste the new URL, and regenerate the code. And if you're still working on your brand's visuals, especially things like colors and logos, then check out our video where we tested and ranked the top logo makers. Once everything looks good, click share, then download. For most use cases, PNG works perfectly, whether you're using this digitally or printing it out. After downloading, take a moment to test it just to make sure everything's working. Scan it with your phone, and if you can, try a second device as well, just to be safe. Just make sure that the link works, but also that the contrast is good and that nothing breaks in real world use. But that's pretty much it. You don't need third-party QR code websites, you don't need to upload images back and forth, and you don't need a Canva Pro account for this either. Canva lets you generate QR codes for free, customize them safely, and drop them straight into real designs all in one place. And if you're looking to speed up more than just design work, we also have a video that covers tools that can help you launch and work faster. Thanks so much for watching Website Planet, and we'll see you in the next one.